Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wayne County, northern Union County, Indiana, Preble County, until 5 p.m. At 4:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Liberty, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Richmond, Eaton, Liberty, Camden, Lewisburg, New Paris, West Alexandria, Salem, Abington, El Dorado, West Manchester, Boston, Richmond Municipal Airport, Whitewater State Park, Goodwin's Corner, Oklahoma, West of Florence, Cottage Grove, Wheatfield and Interstate 70 at U.S. Route 127. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Indiana between mile markers 153 and 156. I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 15.